Coordinate geometry, exercise 7.2, sixth question. If 1, 2, 4y, x6 and 3, 5 are the vertices of a parallelogram taken in order, find x and y. Look at this. In this question they have given one condition. What is that? We have to take these points in order. Means we have to take this point as A, B, C, D. We have to take this in order. Okay? And a parallelogram is formed by these 4 points. That is A, B, C, D. Okay? And the coordinates of A is 1, 2, 1, 2, 4y, x6 and 3, 5. Now what we have to find out? We have to find out the x and y coordinate. To find out this, let us join the diagonals. Isn't it? AC is the diagonal, BD is the diagonal. Isn't it? Then we know that the property of a parallelogram. What is that? The diagonals, they will bisect each other. Diagonals, they bisect each other. Isn't it? Now let me name this point as O. Since the diagonals they bisect each other, we can write that AO is equal to OC. AO is equal to OC. Then DO is equal to OB. Isn't it? DO is equal to OB. Then since AO is equal to OC, O is the midpoint of AC. Isn't it? O is the midpoint of AC. And DO is equal to OB. Then O is the midpoint of BD. Right? So let us find out the coordinate of this point by using the midpoint formula. Okay? Which is the midpoint formula? Solution. We know that the midpoint formula is x1 plus x2 by 2, comma y1 plus y2 divided by 2. This is our midpoint formula. Isn't it? Now, O is the midpoint of AC. So, let us find out the coordinate of the point O. O is the midpoint of AC. Therefore, we can find out the coordinate of the point O. x1, x2, y1, y2. We know the value of x1, x2 and y1, y2. See, AC, the coordinate of A is what? 1, 2. And the coordinate of C is x6. Then this is our x1 and this is our y1. This is our x2 and this is our y2. Isn't it? Now we know the values of x1, y1, x2, y2. Let us substitute in this. Okay? Bracket. x1 plus x2 is what? 1 plus x. 1 plus x divided by 2, comma y1 plus y2 divided by 2. That is 2 plus 6 divided by 2. 2 plus 6 divided by 2 is equal to 1 plus x divided by 2, comma, see here, 2 plus 6 is what? 8. 8 by 2. 8 by 2. 2 ones are, 2 fours are. Isn't it? Therefore, 8 by 2 I can write it as 4. Okay. Now let me rub this. And we know that O is the midpoint of the diagonal B, isn't it? O is the midpoint of BD. So let us apply the midpoint formula, that is x1 plus x2 divided by 2, y1 plus y2 divided by 2. See here, B, the coordinate of B is 4y and the coordinate of D is 3, 5. Therefore, this is our x1, this is our y1, this is our x2 and this is our y2. Now let us substitute the values in this equation. x1 plus x2 divided by 2, that is 4 plus 3 divided by 2. 4 plus 3 divided by 2, comma, y1 plus y2 divided by 2, that is y plus 5 divided by 2. Okay, is equal to 4 plus 3 is what? 7. 7 by 2, comma, y plus 5 divided by 2. Now look at this. O is the midpoint of AC also and O is the midpoint of BD also. So this one, it is equal to this one, right? Since the coordinate of AC is equal to the coordinate of BD, isn't it? So we can equate these two. Since O, it is common both for AC and BD. So let me equate these two, okay? Let me rub the board. This is our x coordinate, this is our y coordinate. This is our x coordinate and this is our y coordinate. Okay? Let me rub this. Coordinate of midpoint of AC is what? 1 plus x by 2, comma 4, isn't it? Is equal to coordinate of midpoint of BD, that is 7 by 2, comma y plus 5 by 2. Let me rub this. Since O is the midpoint of AC and BD, both the coordinates are equal. Okay. So this is our x coordinate and this is our y coordinate. This is our x coordinate and this is our y coordinate. So let us equate this x coordinate to the x coordinate of this one. Okay. That is 1 plus x by 2 is equal to 7 by 2. Let us do the cross multiplication. 1 plus x into 2 is equal to 7 into 2, that is 14. 2 into 1 is 2 plus 2 into x is equal to 14. 2x is equal to 14 minus 2 is what? 12, isn't it? 2x is equal to 12. Let me continue here. 2x is equal to 12. X is equal to 12 by 2. 2 ones are 2 sixes are. X is equal to 6. Right? Now let us find out the value of y. Let us equate to the y coordinate of this one. That is y plus 5 by 2 is equal to 4. Nothing is in the denominator means we will consider it as 1. Y plus 5 into 1 is what? Y plus 5 is equal to 2 into 4 is 8. Y is equal to 8 plus 5, when it will cross this is equal to sign, it will become minus 5. Y is equal to 3. Now we know the value of x and y, isn't it? The value of x is 6 and the value of y is 3. Okay, that is 4, 3, and here it is 6, 6. You can see that we have found the value of x and y. Okay. Now let us do the verification. See, here no need to do the verification in your exams, just for your confirmation. Verification, okay. We know the value of x and y. The value of x is 6, right? Therefore 1 plus 6 by 2. That is 1 plus 6 by 2 comma 4. That is 7 by 2 comma 4 is equal to 7 by 2. We know the x coordinate. Y plus 5 by 2. The value of y is 3. 3 plus 5 by 2. 3 plus 5 is 8. 8 by 2. 2 ones are 2 fours are. That is 7 by 2 comma 4. That is the coordinate of 0 is 7 by 2, 4. You can see that, isn't it? Coordinate of midpoint of AC is equal to coordinate of midpoint of BD. That is the coordinate of the point O is 7 by 2, 4. See here, they did not tell us to find out this one, okay? It is just for your verification. They told us to find out the value of x and y. But when we will put the x and y value in this coordinate, we will get the same answer. Hope you have understood. Thank you.